Okay, in this video I'm going to show you all of the ways of getting more rows in Monopoly Go. So first we're going to pick up the Endless Bargain. So just click on the Endless Bargain, and right here, as you can see, for free you get a few dice. Now after this way, another way of how we can get free dice is going to the offers box. So what I mean by that is going to the store and then scrolling all the way to the right here until we see the offers box, and as you can see, in every 8 hours we get a box which contains dice. So that is another way of getting dice in Monopoly Go. The third way of getting dice in Monopoly Go is by completing your quick win missions. So click right here on the wins button at the bottom left corner, and right here, as you can see, we have to complete these little achievements / missions or quests, and you get the chance of getting a present that contains dice. Okay, as well as you get your activity bar filled in right here, so you can get dice from here as well. So that is the third way of getting dice. Now the fourth way is by completing tournaments. So for tournaments, right here you gotta check the requirements for each tournament and how you can gain points, and basically you get dice for if you get top 15 usually, or it could be more like top 20 if the event is longer or the tournament is longer. So the next way of getting dice is through the events, and by events I mean these executive courses like we have right now. As you can see, if we get a certain number of points, we get rewards like cash, dice, points for a current an ongoing event, so on and so forth. So the next way is by completing these events. Now, another way of getting dice is by completing albums. So if we click on albums right here, as you can see, if you have an album which you are close to completing, or you have completed, as you can see right here, if I complete this album, I will get 625 dice. So that is another way of getting dice. So just complete your albums. The second to last way of getting dice is by finishing cities. So if you go to build and you finish all of your cities and you move, or finish your city and you move on to the next city, you will get 50 dice and like some cash. Okay, so another way of getting dice is obviously probably like an extra way of getting dice, but if you invite friends, as you can see right here, if they join the Monopoly Go game, you will get dice. And now to the very last way of getting dice, it is obviously by purchasing dice. Well, that's it really, and those are all of the ways of how you can get more rows in Monopoly Go. Hope this video was informative, hope you managed to learn something out of it, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.